Hello to all Medictube subscribers and non-subscribers. Today we are going to discuss about the benefits of pomegranate. So let's watch and stay healthy together.
Pomegranate. Fresh pomegranate juice is famous for its properties and ability to purify blood, quickly restore strength and increase vitality. Pomegranate grains contain a lot of iron, 15 amino acids that are vital for us, half of which are irreplaceable compounds that the human body is not able to produce on its own, but can only receive from the outside. Pomegranate is rich in B vitamins, potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, folic acid, contains fatty acids, oleic, palmitic, linoleic, etc. Due to its high iron content, pomegranate juice reduces the risk of anemia, helps cleanse the blood and intestines, and strengthen the walls of blood vessels, giving them higher elasticity. Vitamin C will strengthen immunity, and pure pomegranate juice during the period of exacerbation of a cold will help reduce fever and stop bouts of exhaustive cough. The disinfecting properties of pomegranate not only kill pathogenic bacteria in the intestines, but also contribute to faster healing of wounds and abrasions on the body. The health benefits of pomegranate are not at all limited to the prevention of colds. Pomegranate juice has a slight diuretic effect. Naturally removes excess salts, relieves swelling and normalizes blood pressure. Pomegranate can be very sweet, but it belongs to those few fruits that diabetics can eat without fear. Moreover, regular consumption of pomegranate or juice from its grains lower blood sugar levels. Microelements from the pulp of a pomegranate seed not only reduce the risk of thrombosis, but also remove radiation, which is important for residents of affected regions. No wonder analysts recorded a sharp jump in demand for fresh pomegranates and pomegranate juice in Japan immediately after the terrifying tragedy in Fukushima. It is important to note that not only the increased radiation background can be good reason for increasing the consumption of pomegranate juice, the unfavorable ecological situation of megacities that are always drowning in traffic jams makes people think about cleansing the body and natural prevention of diseases. The benefits of pomegranate for women. Along with the cleansing properties of pomegranate juice, one cannot but note its cosmetic effect. The molecular structure of the ruby elixir is such that it can be penetrate into deeper layers of the skin, moisturizing it and stimulating cell division. In its pure form, pomegranate juice is quite active. Therefore, for cosmetic purposes, it is recommended to use a combination of 1 tablespoon juice of fresh pomegranate seed and 1 teaspoon of honey. Add some olive oil, crushed oatmeal and 1 egg yolk to the composition. Such a mask can literally restore radiance and freshness of the skin in just 20 minutes. To whom can a pomegranate be harmful? Despite the benefits of pomegranate known to science, its use can still have contraindications. Pomegranate in its juice is not recommended for children under 1.5 years of age. Pregnant women in the early stage should avoid eating pomegranate seeds and partitions. People with acute digestive system problems, regular heartburn, advanced gastritis, or an ulcer, fresh pomegranate juice or food is absolutely not suitable. as it can cause spasm and pain. Pomegranate is a fruit of healthy people, which was created by nature to enjoy and promote health. So enjoy pomegranate, drink pomegranate juice, and protect your health from a young age.
Do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified for new videos. Like, comment, and share with your family and friends informative video, tips, and remedies we are publishing. We wish you and your family healthy life. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, live long.